This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Here's my snowstorm update for southern New Brunswick on Wednesday, December the 18th, 2013. The snow's been upgraded to a major snowstorm. It's going to be a lot of snow and blizzard conditions and blowing snow, especially in southern New Brunswick as well. And Moncton, New Brunswick's getting about 30 plus centimeters of snow. The storm has been upgraded to a major snowstorm in Moncton, New Brunswick, and St. John, New Brunswick as well. It's going to be a lot of blowing snow, reduced visibility, and roads will be covered with snow even more in New Brunswick on Wednesday, December the 18th, 2013. People in southern New Brunswick, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping, don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Have your iPads charged, have your iPods charged, have your cell phones charged, have your laptops charged, have your tablets charged, have your 3G and 4G internet ready. When you're driving a car, slow down, take your time, drive the car so you don't get in a car accident, especially on the highways in southern New Brunswick, around Moncton and St. John, New Brunswick. Have your shovels ready, have your snow scoops ready, have your snow plows ready, have your snow blowers ready, have your salt trucks ready, because it's going to be a lot of snow in New Brunswick now. It's going to be a 30 plus centimeters of snow for southern New Brunswick now. And that's been upgraded from 15 centimeters of snow to 30 plus centimeters of snow for southern New Brunswick. And if you're driving the car, take your time, drive the car. Slow down so you don't get in a car accident during the snowstorm. Visibility will be reduced with lots of blowing snow in southern New Brunswick and blizzard-like conditions. Since the low-pressure system is going to intensify, it's also going to be windy conditions in New Brunswick as well, with a blowing snow, drifting snow, and strong winds in southern New Brunswick. When you go for a walk, don't walk too far during the snowstorm in New Brunswick. Best luck to you, people in New Brunswick. Be prepared for a major snowstorm on Wednesday, December the 18th, 2013. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in the snowstorm, be safe.